Is fatigue leaving you irritable and frustrated? Stress relievers will help restore your frustrating life to calm and serenity. You should not have to waste a great deal of time on tension relievers or reflect on them. Consider one of these tips if your stress is getting out of control and you need instant relief. Subscribe and activate the notification if you like the video. Number 11. Take a nap. Napping isn't just for little kids. Napping is a great way to reduce your stress and improve your mood. Number 12. Sit outside. Sitting outside is a great way to feel better whenever you're stressed. Pick a pretty place to sit and enjoy the view. Number 13. Paint. Painting is a great way to relieve stress and express your feelings. You don't have to be good at it for it to work either. Number 14. Spend time with loved ones. Spending time with loved ones is a great way to take time out from your stressful life. Number 15. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet is a great way to minimize the effects of stress. Pick out a variety of fruits and vegetables that you love. Subscribe for part 4 if you like the video.